Hey everyone, my name is Grant Carpenter. I'm a local attorney right here in Central Ohio, and today I wanted to talk about temporary orders in a divorce or child custody cases. Today I'm going to break down temporary orders into 4 simple parts: what they are, how to get them, what the court looks at, and why they matter long term. There are 4 things to know about temporary orders. The first is that temporary orders are short-term decisions made while a divorce or custody case is still ongoing. Their main purpose is to keep things stable until the final hearing or settlement. They address immediate issues like who the children will live with and parenting schedules, child support and spousal support if needed, who stays in the marital home, payment of household bills, and basic expenses. They're not permanent. They can be changed later when the final order is entered. Think of them as a temporary plan or holding pattern to help everyone function day to day while the case moves forward. Usually they go into effect early in the case, often within the first few weeks after filing. Their goal is to reduce conflict and provide structure, so both sides know what to expect. How do you obtain temporary orders? You obtain them by filing a motion or request to the court. This is usually submitted when you start your divorce or custody case, or later if circumstances change. In this motion is included an affidavit, which is a sworn statement by you explaining your situation, like your income, living arrangement, or parenting details. The court will review this affidavit and sometimes hold a short hearing where both sides can share information. The entire process is designed to be quick, handle immediate needs such as housing, financing, and parenting, and not to handle long-term disputes. So what does a court look at for temporary orders? The first is the court will set the standard of what is in the best interest of the children. The judge is going to focus on stability, who's been the main caregiver, routines, and what arrangement works best for the kids. The second is financial fairness. The court is going to review each side's income, expenses, and financial responsibilities when setting child or spousal support. The third is living situation and stability. Judges consider who can provide a safe, consistent home environment during the case, and the fourth is evidence and practical needs. Temporary orders aren't about proving fault. They're about keeping things steady until the final decision. Why do temporary orders matter? Well, the first is that temporary orders set the tone for the case. Temporary arrangements often influence how the rest of the case plays out, including negotiations and final outcomes. They also affect custody momentum. This means that if one parent has temporary custody, that setup can carry weight later unless major circumstances change. The third is that they address financial expectations. Temporary support orders shape budgets and payment patterns that may continue after the final order. The fourth is that it's really the first impression with the court. How you handle temporary orders can affect credibility, cooperation, and the judge's early perception of your case. Thank you for watching this video. I hope all of this has been very helpful for you. Please visit my website for more answers to frequently asked questions related to divorce and custody type cases, or call our office at 614-549-2348 so that I can help you directly with your case.